Try again. Hello guys, on Super Tram. I'm making my way home on Millwood Tram. Guys just tell me to turn these messages off, but I can't seem to turn them off. It's a bit difficult for me to try and turn them off on my phone.
Hold tight, please.
Ding dong.
The next stop by request will be Lancet Primrose View.
Yeah, I'm on tram on Millwood Road with Jack, and he suggested that he's going to stay on the tram with me until we get back to Millwood Park. And then I was just saying, me and Jack will get off the tram at Millwood Park and ride, and then I'll say my goodbyes to Jack, and then I'll get on bus to go back up to this side, and then Jack will make his own way up as well. Subscribe to Jack's Challenger, subscribe to him on his gaming channel, and yeah, just subscribe to him if you can, guys. Subscribe to him on Jack's Gaming on YouTube. Subscribe to him, guys. That'd be good. Because he's a YouTube gamer, and yeah, this is for my random YouTube videos, my own YouTube channel page, and yeah, please subscribe to me if you can, guys. And yeah, like I said, subscribe to Jack on his gaming channel on his YouTube gaming channel page. Subscribe to him. He's got lots of subscribers. And yeah, I'm on YouTube and I'm just recording random videos for YouTube because that's what I do. So yeah, I've been in town today with Jack and Emma Emma's making her own way home, and I'm making, well, I'm not home yet, but I'm on the Super Tram making my way back to Millwood Park and Ride. Yeah, I am going home.
This is the yellow
How long have we been in town
service
today?
Hold tight, please.
Just after 3 o'clock.
After 3 o'clock, wasn't it?
Yeah,
The next stop by request will be Bamford Street.
Bamford Street. Yeah, me and Emma met Jack. Say that again. Me and Emma met Jack. Where did we meet you?
It was Wintergons.
Whereabouts? Whereabouts did we meet you?
It was Wintergons at the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Wintergons.
Yeah, that's right. But that's where Jack's telling me that's where we met him today. So yeah, Jack's done some random videos while we've been in the light cinemas. Jack did a random video of him and Emma together, and then just to end it all together, then me and Jack did a short video of him. Jack did a short video of him talking about me, of us two being together while we was in the light cinemas, and yeah, well, that's what we did earlier on. I've got hairs on my chin. I probably need to have a shave. So have you noticed something that me and Jack, we both got different caps on today?
Yeah, I got my Fallout one on today.
I haven't either.
I forgot to put it on.
I haven't either. I've got my John Cena cap on today.
Hold tight, please.
And Jack's got his army cap on. We're gonna have a Fallout
The next stop
caps
by
on Friday.
request will
Yep.
be
Yeah, me and Jack's gonna have a Fallout. Me and Jack's gonna have a Fallout caps on Friday.
Main Bridge. Change at this stop. This is the
The yellow route service to
Middlewood
Park and Ride, where this tram service terminates. Whee! Having a ride on the Super Tram with Jack D Challenger. So yeah, Jack's part of this video, but he's just doing something on his phone.
Yeah, I will be uploading them.
No. I think.
But
Yeah, because like I said, Jack's uploaded 2 videos. Well, he's done 2 videos in like cinemas with me and Emma, so he's just uploaded them. He's uploaded them on his phone now, but that's what he's doing.
I'm not uploading them yet.
Oh, are you not? No. I thought you were uploading it.
I'll upload them when you've gone.
Jack says he'll upload his videos when he's on his way home.
This is the yellow route service to Middlewood Park and Ride.
Jack D Challenge.
Hold tight, please.
Hold tight, please. Ding dong.
The next stop by request will be Hillsborough Park.
Right, I'm going to end it there then. And I might do some more random videos for YouTube in the next few days. So I'm going to end it there for now. Sorry about the short delays on my other videos, but yeah. This is the video what I'll be upload onto YouTube as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna end it there for now, and I'll be back on very, very soon. Say bye, Jack.
Bye.
Bye for now, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. Peace out.